Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. In the world of Android smartphones, apps are king. They are the lifeblood of our digital experience, transforming our devices from simple communication tools into powerful, multifunctional gadgets. From social media platforms to productivity tools, and from games to health trackers, apps have become an integral part of our daily lives. These little bundles of software, known as APK files, provide endless entertainment, productivity tools, and connections to the digital world. They are the building blocks of the Android ecosystem, enabling developers to create and distribute their applications seamlessly. But have you ever stopped to wonder what an APK actually is? What makes these files so special, and how do they work behind the scenes to bring your favorite apps to life? APK stands for Android Package Kit. It's a file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Essentially, it's the package that contains all the elements an app needs to function. Think of it like a container, a digital box that holds everything an app needs to run on your phone. This includes the app's code, resources, assets, certificates, and manifest file. It's a self-contained unit that ensures the app can be installed and run correctly on your device. This includes the code, images, sounds, and all the other bits and pieces that make an app tick. Each component plays a crucial role in the app's functionality, from the user interface to the back-end processes. When you download an app from the Google Play Store, you're essentially downloading and unpacking this APK file onto your device. The Play Store acts as a repository, housing millions of APK files that users can access and install with just a few taps. Understanding APKs is the first step in understanding the world of Android security. By knowing what an APK contains and how it functions, we can better appreciate the security measures that protect our devices and data. Just like a physical box can be tampered with, so too can an APK. Hackers can manipulate these files to insert malicious code, steal sensitive information, or even take control of the app itself. And just like a thief might try to crack a safe, hackers can attempt to break into an APK to steal sensitive information or even take control of the app itself. This is why it's crucial to download apps only from trusted sources and to keep your device's security features up to date. This is where the world of password cracking comes into play. Many apps require passwords for access, and these passwords are often stored within the APK itself. If a hacker can gain access to these passwords, they can potentially unlock the app and access its data. Many apps require passwords for access, and these passwords are often stored within the APK itself. This makes them a prime target for hackers who are looking to exploit vulnerabilities and gain unauthorized access to user data. By understanding how hackers target and exploit these passwords, we can learn how to better protect ourselves and our data. This involves using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and staying informed about the latest security threats and best practices. Regularly updating your apps and operating system is also crucial. Developers frequently release updates to patch security vulnerabilities and improve the overall security of their apps. By keeping your software up to date, you can ensure that you have the latest protections in place. Additionally, consider using security apps that can help detect and prevent malicious activity on your device. These apps can provide an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the digital world. Staying informed about the latest cybersecurity news and trends is also important. By understanding the evolving landscape of digital threats, you can take proactive steps to protect your personal information and maintain your digital privacy. In conclusion, APK files are the backbone of the Android app ecosystem. They enable the seamless distribution and installation of apps, but they also present potential security risks. By understanding what an APK is and how it works, you can take steps to protect your device and data from potential threats. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and enjoy the endless possibilities that Android apps have to offer. Password cracking is a bit like trying to guess the combination to a lock. Hackers use various tools and techniques to try different combinations until they find the right one. Sometimes it's quick and easy, like guessing a simple 4-digit PIN. Other times, it can be incredibly difficult, requiring specialized software and vast amounts of computing power. There are many different methods hackers use to crack passwords, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most common techniques include dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and reverse engineering. These methods might sound intimidating, but by understanding how they work, we can better understand the importance of strong passwords and other security measures. In the following sections, we'll delve into each of these techniques, providing clear examples and insights into the world of ethical hacking. Imagine you've forgotten the combination to your bike lock. You stand there, staring at the lock, feeling a mix of frustration and panic. You know you need to get it open, but the combination just isn't coming to you. You could try every single number combination, but that would take ages. There are thousands of possible combinations, and trying each one manually would be incredibly time-consuming and tedious. A faster approach would be to try common combinations first, like 00001234, or even your birth year. These are combinations that people often use because they are easy to remember. This is the basic idea behind a dictionary attack. Instead of trying every possible combination, you start with the most likely ones. In the digital realm, hackers use lists of common passwords called wordlists to try and crack into accounts. These wordlists are essentially collections of passwords that people commonly use. These wordlists can contain millions or even billions of passwords, ranging from simple words like password or 123456 to complex combinations of characters. Hackers compile these lists from various sources. Hackers obtain these word lists from various sources, including leaked password databases from other websites and forums. When a website is hacked, the passwords are often shared or sold on the dark web. They then use automated tools to rapidly input these passwords, hoping to find a match. These tools can try thousands of passwords per second, making the process much faster than manual attempts. Dictionary attacks are often successful because people tend to choose weak and predictable passwords. When people use simple, easy-to-guess passwords, they make it much easier for hackers to gain access. Later, we'll discuss how to create strong, unique passwords that are much harder to crack. By using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoiding common words and phrases, you can significantly improve your online security. If a dictionary attack is like trying common keys to open a door, a brute force attack is like trying every single key imaginable, no matter how unlikely. Imagine standing in front of a massive vault with millions of keys in hand, each one slightly different from the last. You have no idea which key will work, so you try them all, one by one, until the vault finally opens. It's a method of relentless trial and error, using sheer computing power to try every possible combination of characters until the correct password is found. This process can be automated with software that systematically goes through all possible permutations, tirelessly working day and night. Brute force attacks can be incredibly time-consuming, especially for longer and more complex passwords. The more characters and the more variety in those characters, the longer it takes. For instance, a simple 4-digit PIN might be cracked in seconds, but a complex password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols could take exponentially longer. A password with just 8 characters, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, could take years to crack using brute force. The complexity increases the number of possible combinations exponentially, making it a daunting task for even the most powerful computers. However, the increasing speed and power of computers make brute force attacks a growing threat. Modern processors and GPUs can perform billions of calculations per second, drastically reducing the time needed to crack passwords. High-speed servers and advanced hardware setups can be leveraged to accelerate the process even further. Hackers can now use sophisticated software and even cloud computing resources to significantly speed up the process. Cloud services offer virtually unlimited computing power, allowing attackers to distribute the workload across multiple machines and cut down the time required to break into systems. This highlights the importance of using strong passwords and implementing additional security measures, such as multi-factor authentication, to thwart these brute force attempts. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just a password, but also a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan. This makes it significantly harder for attackers to gain unauthorized access